Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to enhance your Google Slides with PlusAI. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Searching and installing PlusAI for Google Slides. Start by searching for PlusAI for Google Slides. Once found, install the extension. It will prompt you to select your Google account, choose your account, and click on Continue. Now, the extension is added to your Google Slides. Step 2. Opening Google Slides and creating a blank presentation. Open your Google Apps, click on Google Slides, and select New Presentation. Choose Blank Presentation. Step 3. Accessing PlusAI in Google Slides. Within Google Slides, go to Extensions and select New Presentation with PlusAI. Step 4. Trying Text to Presentation. Let's explore the Text to Presentation feature. For this example, I'll choose Generative AI Text about Robotics. Step 5. Generating the presentation. Copy the text, paste it here, and click on Generate Video. Give it a few minutes to work its magic. Step 6. Customizing the presentation. Once it's done, you'll see the complete presentation. Modify, add slides, and choose different themes to customize it to your liking. Finally, and there you have it. PlusAI for Google Slides makes creating presentations a breeze. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.